Hello back to finance shares.
Example of personal investment account. Thumbs up. A personal investment account, also known as a brokerage account or an individual investment account, is a type of account that individuals can open with a financial institution or brokerage firm to invest in a wide range of financial instruments. Here are a few examples of personal investment accounts. Stock trading account. This type of personal investment account allows individuals to buy and sell individual stocks on stock exchanges. Investors can research and select specific companies they want to invest in and place trades accordingly. Exchange Traded Fund (ETF) account. ETFs are investment funds that trade on stock exchanges and represent a diversified portfolio of underlying assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. With an ETF account, individuals can buy and sell shares of ETFs to gain exposure to various market sectors or asset classes. Mutual fund account. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of securities. By opening a mutual fund account, individuals can invest in a professionally managed fund that aligns with their investment goals and risk tolerance. Bond account. Bonds are debt securities issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations to raise capital. A bond account allows individuals to invest in various types of bonds, such as government bonds, corporate bonds, or municipal bonds, which offer regular interest payments and the return of principal at maturity. Retirement account. Retirement accounts, such as traditional IRAs or Roth IRAs, are personal investment accounts specifically designed to save for retirement. These accounts offer tax advantages, and individuals can invest in a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Real estate investment account. Some financial institutions offer personal investment accounts that allow individuals to invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate funds. These accounts provide exposure to the real estate market without the need to directly own and manage properties. Robo-advisor account. Robo-advisors are online platforms that provide automated investment management services. With a robo-advisor account, individuals can answer a series of questions about their financial goals and risk tolerance, and the platform will create and manage a diversified investment portfolio on their behalf. These are just a few examples of personal investment accounts. The specific options and features may vary depending on the financial institution or brokerage firm. It's important to research and compare different account providers to find one that offers the investment options, fees, and services that align with your investment goals and preferences. Before opening a personal investment account, individuals should consider their financial objectives, risk tolerance, investment time horizon, and seek professional advice if needed to ensure they make informed investment decisions. Thanks for watching.